Peace, family. Welcome back to another video with Credit Healing LLC. Today what we want to do is we want to discuss a question that was posed by one of our credit healing clients. And that is, hey, Brother Orel, I've been approved for a $500 loan. Now, basically the loan says that I'm supposed to pay the loan back within 3 months. Is that going to hurt my credit or is that going to help my credit? Should I be approved? Should I go ahead and get the loan or should I not get it? That's a great question. Now, in regards to personal loans, the thing about it is that what most people don't know is that when you open up a new installment account, a personal loan, a car loan, loans such as that nature, also mortgages, that actually helps your credit. Because the reason that it helps your credit is because it's going to add an extra account to your credit profile, which then strengthens it. Now, the good thing about getting small loans, micro loans, etc., that are going to be placed on your credit report is that once that particular account is paid off, what's going to happen is that it's going to boost your credit, because then it shows that you are responsible and you have the ability to take out a loan, to pay it back over a certain period of time, and then that satisfies the creditors. So in the eyes of other creditors, they say, okay, well, this person has a reputation of taking out a loan or basically be given credit and then paying it back responsibly. So what I would recommend to many of you is that, look, get a small loan, $500, $3,000, whatever the case may be, if you are approved. And if you need some assistance being approved for a loan, reach out to us at 225-733-6429 and we'll be able to assist you with that. But take out a small loan and then pay it back. Now, what's going to actually help you is that to avoid pay the extra interest is if you just go ahead and pay it off within a short period of time, usually within 3 months time frame. So if you pay it off within 3 months, make sure that it's 3 months or over. Don't try to pay it off before 3 months, because it's not going to really boost your credit. So what you want to do is throughout the year, take out small loans, pay them back. And once you pay them back, then that's going to help boost your credit. And it's also, the interest that you may pay may be an extra $20, $30, something like that. But pay it back. And then once you do that, that's going to help boost your credit profile, and that's going to help strengthen it, which is then going to help you be approved for much larger loans and much larger lines of credit. So to answer your question, yes, that's going to actually help you by taking out these small loans. If you need it, definitely take it out, but always make sure that you're getting the best out of these particular situations, which is to try to pay as little of interest as possible. If you have to pay the extra interest, that's fine, but make sure that you use credit to leverage your personal life so you can be able to attain freedom. All right, family, so I'm glad that we were able to answer those questions for you. If you have any other questions, as we said, please reach out to us at 225-733-6429. If you're ready to get started to improve your credit, go to www.credithealing.org. Peace.